So one of my least favorite things about the real estate industry and being a real estate agent is actually putting out open house signs.
3, 2, 1.
Putting them in my car, they scratch my car up. It's just always dirty. Like I pull it out of the yard and there's dirt at the bottom and I throw it into my car and it's just annoying. And then they get all tangled, you know, the metal pieces get all tangled together. And I've been doing this for a really long time and I finally said, there's gotta be a better way. So we did a little research online and there seems to be only like one solution. And so I was like, well, let's try it out. And so I'm gonna review this bag for you. And it's just this big canvas bag that zips up. I think it's canvas. It zips up and you put the signs inside of it. So the signs all fit in. It says, I think 15 to 20 signs fit. I fit more than that. And let me tell you, it's a lifesaver. So now I have one single bag that I can carry. When I'm going to the office, I can put the signs in. When I'm done with the open house, I just lay them inside, I zip it back up. It's so much easier to carry around this bag than it is to lug around individual open house signs, especially because I've got some different size ones and it's just like a mess. They're always falling out everywhere. So I would definitely give this like a 5 out of 5, 10 out of 10. Review. It's a heavy duty bag. It's been working really well for me. So it's a little on the high side when it comes to price. I was like, really, I'm going to pay this much for a bag? But yeah, I wish I would have bought it sooner. So I definitely recommend it. I don't make any money if you buy it, but I would highly recommend it if you're doing a lot of open houses and you're tired of signs just falling all over the place or getting your car all scratched up and dirty. I hope this helped make things a little bit easier for you in your open houses. If you found this valuable, like the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and find our podcast, Seeking the Best, wherever you listen to podcasts.